today in this video I will show you how can you use custom domain with Google Cloud Console. So first of all I will create this project and then I will show you how to connect custom domain with this project using Google Cloud Console. Our first step is to create this project. So I will create an interview related project. It will take some minutes to generate successfully. I will wait. Our project has been successfully generated. Now I will deploy this project on Google Cloud Console. So I will click here on deploy app and then I will select my project. Our project has been successfully deployed on this URL. Now I will connect custom domain to this URL. So first of all, I will visit Google Cloud Console and then here you have to search domain mapping. And then click here on add mapping. And then select your project. Page master. This is interview AI project. I have already bought this domain on Hostinger. This is quite easy process to buying a domain from Hostinger. If you don't know how to buy, if you are facing problem, you can search on YouTube. There are so many tutorial videos. You can get help from there. So after buying, you have to navigate on this section DNS name server and then I will copy this URL. Without any space, I will paste this URL and then click here on verify in search console. Again paste the URL here. You have to not use HTTPS or something else. Now you have to copy this and then click here on change name server and then click here on use hostinger name server and then select txt and leave this section, leave this category as it is, and here in the txt value copy this and paste and then click here on add record. Once record is added there, now you can click here on verify. Domain name provider, we could not find verification token in your domain txt record. Don't worry guys, there are other methods available too. So I will click here on cname and then copy this cname and you have to select cname and paste it here. First of all, copy this host name and paste this host name here. And this is our target. Copy this target and paste it. And then click here on add record. Once more, I will do this. I will do the same process. It is saying this record is already available. So now I will click here on verify. It is saying verification failed. So don't worry. This is not a problem. I will click here on remove property. Remove and then click here on refresh. Our verification has been successful. Here you can see it has been turned blue. And now I will click here on continue verification. Our site is not showing here. This is another website URL. Now you can see our verification is already completed. It was not showing properly previously. So now I will click here on done, and click here on refresh. Here you can see your ownership of interviews at in has been successfully verified, and now blank to map the base domain. So if you have base domain, then you can specify here. If no, don't worry. Then click here on continue. And this is our DNS record. I will copy this record. First of all, here you can see A. So I will click here on DNS name server, and here you can see A, type A. So I will copy this A and then paste it here, and then click here on add record. Content add because you're set to become inaccessible. So first of all, I have to delete all A record because it is already available, and then add. Then I will add again. This new record has been added successfully. Now I will copy this second A and then paste it here. It is saying that it might conflict with previous, and A already exists on your subdomain record. By confirm, you will add an additional A record. More than one record may cause your website to become. So I will not add another A record because this A record will work perfectly. Now for IP address 6, I will use this A4A if you are using IP address 6. So I will copy this one and then paste it here, and then click on add record. Our record has been added successfully. And then I will click here on done. It might take up to 24 hours, or in rare cases it will start working within 5 to 6 hours. So you will have to wait. You have to wait. It will take some time, within 24 hours. this website will start working. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to buy domain at some discount, you can buy domain with my referral link. I will provide this link in the comment section or description. Here you can see within an hour our domain propagation has been completed. Now I will open this domain. Here you can see my domain is working perfectly. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I have provided the hostinger link in my description. If you want heavy discount to buy domain, you can use this link.